Hello YouTube, we are back and this time it's with an ESC. So it's the Isdt ESC70. It's a 7 amp ESC. It currently I heard it has Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth, it has a few different driving styles as well. Put that in the picture just here. Yep. And well, let's dig into it. Let's open the box, see what's in it, and let's see what it comes with. It seems to be
alrighty then.
It seems to be properly packed, right? So here we see we get our manual in English, and that's like two different Chinese language. So so user manual. So seems this side is Chinese, this side is English. Let's see what it says. So that's what the manual looks like. Go through that later. But this is the main thing. This is what we're interested in. Alright. Seems to have two servo leads. This seems to be the Bluetooth module. This is the ESC. This seems to be the Bluetooth module. It is a brushed ESC. It's good for crawling. And as you can see here, FTX bonsai, drifting as well. Comes with connectors for your motor, ESC lead, and heat crimpers. What's this? Trying to do everything in one on here. I think I'm gonna need two ones. Give me a sec. Alright, so there it is. We're back. So this is everything that comes in the package. We've got this package as I mentioned earlier. Your motor, I think it's your motor fittings. This is the Bluetooth module, and you can hear. See here. It's a switch, it's a button, so I guess this plugs into one of these holes, and the next one is for the receiver. And I'm happy to receive the ESC came like this, because I'm gonna use, for females though, I'm gonna use male EC3, because I only use EC3 connectors, and EC3, I only use EC3 on everything, because that is a super smart charger. EC3 and EC5, well, IC3, IC5, same thing. So I put in EC3 males on this, but yeah, apart from that, that's everything that comes in the box. You get your ESC, your Bluetooth module, you get your motor fittings. Apparently this ESC has settings for, it's to work with Bluetooth, so you download the app, and it has settings for drifting, circuit, drag, crawling, and custom. So basically what this ESC does is put into stiff competition the Hobby Wing 1080 ESC. So this module basically replaces the Hobby Wing program card, which is still good, but it's easier on the go. Touch of an app to now program your car. You can actually like do like a custom build. For example, I'm gonna do a custom build with this. I'm gonna use it for drifting. Sorry, I'm gonna use it for drifting. And I'm gonna use it for rallying, and I've already done a quick mod for that by plating the motor and the spur gear. And if anyone has an FTX Banzai, they will know what I'm talking about. That's the first mod. So I'm gonna put this ESC in this, and I'll do a follow-up video, see how it drives and some of the functions by the Bluetooth app. Stay tuned. I will be back with more. Thumbs up and like.